Do you think you need hours and hours to practice English every day?
What if I told you 3 minutes is enough to start?
Just 3 minutes every day, and your English gets better.
This is English conversation practice for beginners.
Welcome back. You're watching Easy English Podcast.
I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. And today we have a really important topic.
Yeah, because so many people say, I don't have time to practice English.
I hear that all the time. I'm too busy. I have work. I have kids.
Life is busy. We get it.
But here's the thing. You don't need a lot of time. You just need a little time every day.
Consistency, that's the word. A little bit every day is better than a lot once a week.
Exactly. So today, we're going to show you how 3 minutes of daily practice can change your English.
And we're going to practice together right now so you can see how easy it is.
Okay, Mike, let's talk about this. Why do people stop practicing English?
I think they feel like it's too hard or they don't see results fast enough.
Yes, they study for 2 weeks and then they think, my English is still bad.
But language learning takes time. It's slow, and that's okay.
It's like going to the gym. You don't see muscles after one day.
Exactly. But if you go every day, even for a short time, things change.
So the secret is make it a habit, small, simple, every day.
And 3 minutes is perfect for that. You can do it in the morning, before bed, on a bus.
Anywhere, anytime, no excuse.
No excuse. Okay, so let's practice. What do people say in the morning, first thing?
Good morning conversations. Okay, so you wake up, maybe you see your family. What do you say?
Easy. Good morning.
And the answer, good morning. Did you sleep well?
And you say, yes, I slept well, thanks. And you?
Or maybe, not really, I was tired.
See, these are real sentences, real morning conversations.
Let's try it together. Mike, good morning.
Good morning, Sarah. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. Thanks. And you?
Pretty good. A little tired, though.
Ha, same. Every morning.
Right? Okay, viewers, your turn. Say, good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Say, yes, I slept well, thanks.
Say it out loud. Really, it helps so much.
Your mouth needs practice, not just your brain.
Okay, so that's morning. Now, what about at work or at school? What do people say when they arrive?
Oh, good one. So you walk in, you see your coworker or classmate, what do you say?
You can say, hey, how's it going?
And the answer, good, busy day today.
Or, not bad, you?
Or even, so tired, I need a coffee.
That's a real answer.
Very real. People say that every day.
You can also say, good morning, ready for today?
And they say, I think so, let's go.
These are short, fast, natural.
And you can use them every single day. They never get old.
Let's practice those now. Say, hey, how's it going?
Say, good, busy day today.
Say, not bad, you?
Say, so tired, I need a coffee.
I feel that one deeply.
Me too, every morning.
Okay, now, lunchtime. What do people talk about at lunch?
Oh, lunchtime conversations are so natural, very relaxed.
Right, because everyone is taking a break, no stress.
So you might say, what are you having for lunch?
And they say, I don't know yet, maybe a sandwich.
Or, I brought food from home today.
Or, I'm thinking about that place around the corner.
These are so easy and so common.
You can also ask, do you want to eat together?
And they say, sure, give me 5 minutes.
Or, sorry, I have a call, maybe tomorrow?
See, even saying no is natural and polite.
Sorry, I have a call is a perfect polite answer.
Much better than just no.
Always give a little reason. It feels more friendly.
Let's practice. Say, what are you having for lunch?
I don't know yet. Maybe a sandwich.
Say, do you want to eat together?
Sure, give me 5 minutes.
Great. Keep saying them, a little faster each time.
Okay, now evening. You're home, you see your family, or you call a friend. What do you say?
Evening conversations. I love these because they're so relaxed.
Very relaxed. So you might say, how was your day?
And you answer, it was good. Busy but good.
Or, honestly, it was a hard day.
Or, Pretty normal, nothing special.
These are all real answers, very honest, very natural.
And then maybe, what did you do today?
You say, I had a lot of meetings.
Or, I went to the market after work.
Or, I mostly worked from home.
Simple past tense. I had, I went, I worked. Very useful.
And not complicated at all.
Not at all. You're already using grammar without even thinking about it.
That's the beauty of practice. Grammar comes naturally.
Exactly. Okay, let's do a full evening dialogue. Sarah, how was your day?
It was good. Busy, but good. And you?
Honestly, a little hard. Too many emails.
Oh, no. What did you do after work?
I went for a walk. It helped.
That's nice. I just made dinner and watched TV.
Sounds perfect.
See? That's a real conversation. Nothing fancy.
Nothing fancy at all. Short sentences, real words.
Okay, now, let's talk about bedtime, because even at night you can practice English.
Oh, this is a good one. So maybe you're with family or on the phone with a friend.
You can say, I'm so tired. I'm going to bed.
And they say, okay, good night. Sleep well.
Or, talk tomorrow.
Yes, good night.
Simple, sweet, done.
You can also say, it was a long day.
Tell me about it.
Tell me about it. That means I agree. My day was long too.
It's a very natural expression. Native speakers use it all the time.
It shows you understand how they feel.
Let's practice the bedtime phrases. Say, I'm so tired. I'm going to bed.
Good night. Sleep well.
It was a long day.
Tell me about it.
Great. Now let's put the whole day together. One big practice round.
Morning to night. Let's go.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. Thanks. And you?
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Busy day today.
What are you having for lunch?
I don't know yet. Maybe a sandwich.
Do you want to eat together?
Sure. Give me 5 minutes.
How was your day?
It was good. Busy, but good.
I'm so tired. I'm going to bed.
Good night. Sleep well.
Tell me about it.
That right there, that's a full day of English. And it took us about 3 minutes.
3 minutes. You can do this every day.
Morning, lunch, evening, night. Practice a little each time.
And before you know it, these sentences just come out automatically.
No thinking, no translating, just speaking.
That's the goal, and it starts with 3 minutes a day.
Okay, now we want to hear from you. Comment below. Tell us about your day in English.
Use the sentences we practiced today. For example, write, it was a good day, or busy but good.
Or even, honestly, it was a hard day. We want to know.
Write anything, big or small. We read every comment.
And it's great practice too. Writing is also part of learning.
Absolutely. Okay, Mike, any last words before we go?
Yes, if you practice with us today, you already did your 3 minutes. You're done.
Look at that. You came, you practiced, you finished.
That's all it takes. 3 minutes every day, and you will improve.
Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait until your English is better. Start now. Start today.
Even if you only remember one sentence from today, use it. Say it out loud. That's already progress.
We are so proud of you for being here, really.
Learning a language is not easy, but you're doing it.
And we'll be right here every week practicing with you.
See you in the next one.
Bye for now. Keep practicing.
Take care, everyone. You've got this.